powered by National Link.
Start by checking the lights on the in-hand wireless unit. Make sure all lights are solid. Note: the color does not matter. If the cellular or worn light are flashing, it may indicate a bad, dead, or suspended wireless. Unplug the Ethernet cable from the wireless unit and plug it back in. Make sure connections are firmly in place. Unscrew both antennas from the unit. Check the antenna cables and connectors for any visible damage or bending. Once finished on inspection, screw the antennas back on securely. Unplug the power cable to the unit. Once the lights are off, plug the unit back in. Allow the unit to boot up and connect to the ATM properly. Confirm all lights are solid again. Press OP. And log into the ATM with the master password. Press ATM OP. Navigate to System Setup. Device Setup. ATM TCP IP Setup. Set TCP IP mode to static. Select Apply, then press Enter on the keypad. Note: if the screen shows invalid IP address, you'll need to enter the IP information. Set TCP IP mode back to DHCP. Select Apply, then Enter on the keypad. Make sure all the sections are filled out. Cancel out and make sure you get to the welcome screen. If the issue persists, call into the help desk at 909-670-1900, extension 110.